Okay, students, so this first video I'm going to show you how to download the Unit 1 iBook, and while you're at it you probably should download all the geometry iBooks. But anyways, we're in Canvas and you have a Canvas course. It's called HCSD Online Textbooks, alright? If it's not in your dashboard, you probably need to go to Courses and find it somewhere over there. Alright, go to All Courses. You might need to do this, and then where it's all starred and stuff, it's going to be somewhere in there. But anyways, you need to find HCSD Online Textbooks. Alright, so I'm going to tap it. Now Canvas gives us a headache sometimes. My pictures aren't showing up. Hopefully yours are. This is a math course, so we're going to tap math. Again, pictures aren't showing up, but at least the words are, so that's good. Geometry and GAC 2. We're sharing iBooks this year with GAC 2. But we're going to click the geometry one. Boop. Alright, now we want to make sure we get the iBook version. Alright, we don't want the PDF. The iBook version, you can tap pictures, see hints, interact with all kinds of stuff. It has links, so you want the iBook version, and we're going to get to Unit 1 today. But while you're at it, at least get through Unit 5. That will get us through the first semester all the way up to Christmas break. So I'm going to tap iBook. Now, students like to get confused in this part. What did I tap right there? This share row in the top right corner, the box with the arrow, I'm going to tap that. And I'm going to open it up with iBooks. All right, yours probably has to load. Mine's already been loading. And boom, there we are at. We have the iBook. So you want to make sure that you can actually interact with it. So for instance, like look right here, I can go through all these questions. We're actually going to be doing this later. There's a bunch of just stuff you can interact with. So make sure you can tap things and things load. It's going to help us out moving forward. Like look at this GeoGebra thing where we can interact with. A bunch of cool things we can do with the iBook. And then so, now that we have the iBook downloaded, let's go to Notability. Alright, so these are the guided notes today. Although I am really good at explaining things and I like explaining the math, it's also good to be able to read math and be able to comprehend it that way. So what you're going to be doing is I recommend split screen. So let's split screen with the iBook. Put it over here. So I'd split screen, read the directions. It tells us where exactly to go. So it says go to page 11. You're going to write down the definition of line segment. It's going to tell you to draw pictures. You're just going to be interacting with the iBook, reading it. Like right here, it tells you go to page 12. Then like these problems are the problems you're going to be entering in Canvas. So on and so forth. So just read it. When you're reading it, don't do it for speed. Do it for comprehension. Think about why it's true, why it works. Remember, you guys can always ask questions, and then you're just going to keep progressing. Make sure you read the directions I wrote on the iBook. It tells us exactly where to go and where to find things. So use the iBook, finish these notes. Make sure you answer the corresponding questions in Canvas, submit it, and make sure we knock it out of the park and do really well. All right? Make sure you guys contact me if you got any questions. Ready, go.